Hi everyone, I'm Kuhu, and in this class I'm going to teach you how to paint simple sunsets using watercolors. This is going to be a very simple, beginner-friendly class. We will paint three different types of sunsets: pastel, cool, and warm. For these paintings you are going to need watercolor paper. I'm using 400 GSM 100% cotton watercolor paper. It also has a rough texture. Masking tape, tissue paper, and a cloth. I will use 3 brushes. Large flat brush to apply water on the paper, a large round brush, and a smaller round brush for details. You will also need a mixing surface. I will be using my palette. For the colors I will use pastel pink, blue and purple, rose madder, Prussian blue, yellow, orange, vermilion and raw umber. I will list down the exact colors in the about section of this class. That's it for the materials. Move on to the next lesson to practice the techniques that we will use for our paintings.